one yet, I'm wasted.
I feel like this is Vogue 20 questions for like get ready with me. But good morning guys, today is Sunday and we are doing a Sunday reset. I'm so excited. These are like my most cherished days, but I'm going to get ready with you guys for church. So the roads are pretty bad right now. Actually, it's snowing here in Columbus. It's snowing really, really badly. But for those of you who are new here, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rikki Lee, and we have been partaking in a 31-day reset here where we've been investing in ourselves, loving on ourselves, and doing everything that we need to do to have the best year of our life. And today is day 22 of January. Very, very exciting. It's crazy to me that it's already been 21 days and we're on our 22nd. And today I'm doing my Sunday reset. Sundays are typically a time for me to really just focus on self, invest in self, fuel my soul, my mind, my spirit, and my body. Typically on these days, I'm like preparing for the week. Just using some Morphe 2 skin tint as like a tinted moisturizer. And I'm just blotting it in with a beauty blender. So life is pretty good. School is going on our 3rd week now, and my course load has been relatively light, which is amazing because I used to be so stressed out from school, but now I'm to a place where I'm really finding a balance between my extracurriculars as well as my business and so many other things. In just 21 days, guys, I have found so much alignment in my life. It's crazy. I just got my dream partnership offered to me, and I'm so excited because this is like a lifestyle brand and it really is at the intersection of literally everything that I love: fashion, interiors, and lifestyle, like being able to plan really great events and hosting. And that really excites me because I want to be able to bring more of that to my channel. And of course, as you guys know, I'm no longer like a 13-year-old. I'm 20. You know, I have friends. I want to be able to host. Going in with the Sephora micro powder just to kind of mattify in some places. So it's not like we look like a crazy, radiant, oily, greasy person. I'm using the Refi Brow Sculpting Gel to get my brows all the way up in gorge. But how have you guys been doing? 11:26 and I am doing good on time. The next step is just finding a cute, cozy outfit. Because on Sundays, I like to keep it relatively chill. Do you guys remember those days back in the day when you would like get up early on Sunday mornings? Your mom's playing like Kirk Franklin, all kinds of artists, Kim Burrell, Mary, and you guys are getting ready and like she's ironing your best dress and you're getting your hair all curled. You guys remember Easter Sundays? Like those used to be insane. Easter Sunday used to be so for real. It was like a whole weekend worth of prep and getting your hair done that week before, going to the store, trying to find your best dress. And I vividly remember the day that Barack Obama was inaugurated. I think I was in like, it was 2008, so I'm pretty sure I was in like 1st grade. My mom took me to the store and she got me the prettiest dress and she curled my hair and did all this stuff. And I went to school with like this super cute outfit for his inauguration. And I had on like Sunday's best for Barack Obama's inauguration. And I will never forget that. We're gonna put on just a little bit of bronzer. I'm taking my Mocha Mami by Fenty Beauty. And then we're going to bronze the nose a little bit. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little mole. Now that I've added my little mole, that's pretty much the makeup. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush, but let's get ready. Really obsessed with medicine balls. I drank them all throughout COVID. Take a little bit of that. And take a little bit of this. Squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon in there. I got these super cute little spoons on Amazon. They're linked to my Amazon storefront. Perfect for tea, for coffee, for matcha, and also for when you know, if you like to indulge in a little bit of yogurt or ice cream and you want to like control how much you're eating at one point. And I love these little spoons because I can check the temperature without burning my whole life away. Just let this steep for about 5 minutes and you're good. But look at my little One Church mug. I'm so excited. They have a link for us to watch church online, so I'm actually going to click it and see if I can mirror it to my TV. I'm going to try to make my space ultra cozy. Welcome to what?
Hey, what's up, everybody, and welcome to church. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday, everybody.
Yes, we got a new face today on Pre-X. You want to introduce yourself?
Oh, this is so cool.
Going on in 2011, the #1 song was "Grenade" by Bruno Mars. I will. Capital of New York, Manhattan, and all.
Do you want to be the follower that just, okay, cool, I'll do this category, I'll do this thing? Or do you want to be used by God? Called out, selected out. I'm going to bring you in here. I got something I want to do in you, through you, around you.
At the end of every week, I like to prioritize cleaning out my fridge because I do live a very busy, fast life. There are a lot of takeout items and things that I think that I'm doing that's productive, and then things just start to pile up. Like, look at this takeout from over a week ago. Why is that box still in there? So just make sure that you're cleaning out all of the crevices and addressing all of the things that you know are not helping you thrive. Like, I had old produce in there. I had old overnight oats. Like, just get it together. It helps you to be far more productive when you have a clean, decluttered space. Now, my favorite part of my reset routine on Sundays is washing my linens and putting on a fresh pair of sheets. They came in this super cute bag. Like, I've never seen linens come in a bag this nice. Like, literally so cute. But these are the Cozy Earth bamboo sheets. These sheets are made from 100% premium bamboo. They're temperature regulated sheets. They're ultra soft. Like, when I tell you they're ultra soft, they're ultra soft. They make getting up out of bed so hard. So we're about to change my linens and put on a fresh pair of Cozy Earth bamboo sheets.
Baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so
Sunday reset. How are you guys feeling? You feeling good? I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about what church was about while I take down my braids. So if you're not, my hair is not that long, so me cutting up this far up the braid is not doing nothing to nobody. Much what he talked about today was basically a continuation of what he was already teaching us last week, and that was in accordance to we as God's people are gonna have to surround ourselves by people who aren't like us, who, you know, don't separate themselves. How we're gonna be called to go to places that are uncomfortable, that we've never been, and it's still up to us to continue to decide for ourselves if we want to be influenced or if we want to be the one that's doing the influencing. And I think that's a very, very important thing to kind of digest for yourself. Like, do you want to be influenced, or do you want to be the one that's doing the influencing? Because there's going to be a lot of places that you may go that may feel uncomfortable. You're going to be around a lot of people that you might not be, you know, too jazzed to be around, too jazzed to be kicking it with. But it's all in accordance to knowing that at the end of the day, we are all God's people. And it's up to us to go out into the world, to be the salt of the earth and the light of the world, and speak to people and really remind them of who God is. I think he talked about how one church is extremely diverse, and it is. When I went there, I was like shocked to see the amazing amounts of different people. And I feel like now more than ever, I've definitely siloed myself at Ohio State. I don't really convene with other people. I'm really just amongst the Black community. But I just love that at church I can find community in the most important commonality, and that is in faith, having faith in Lord Jesus Christ, our Savior. I'm going to continue taking out my braids while I watch Power. What kind of TV shows do you guys like to watch? I have currently been watching BMF. It's come back on, and I believe Power should be coming back soon. My hair is nice and crusty, as you can see. There's like tons of product in my hair, but I'm gonna leave it like this because tomorrow morning I'm doing a full transformation to my look, and I'm very, very excited about this. First things first, we've got to finish putting together this bed. These are like really wet today. I don't know what's up with that, but they're really wet today, so we're gonna have to really dry these bad boys. Got my handy dandy caddy. I showed you guys this caddy that I created a couple days ago, and this helps me so much on Sundays. I have my Tide Pods over here and my dryer sheets over here, and I just pop them in, and it works so well for me. It's literally amazeballs on bulky and on really high. Best thing about this little cubby is that it can sit right here on top of my washing machine, and I just close this and everything's stored away, and it's so cute. And we have some clothes that we need to put away. Sundays are like my favorite day of the week. They're just so chill, but I do have homework because I am a college student, so I need to check my Carmen. Pretty sure I have like a couple of discussions that I need to do and like some other assignment. So I'm gonna check my Carmen in a bit once I finish folding all of these clothes, but I will likely get on the phone and talk to someone an hour or two and fold all of those. I find that I'm so productive when I'm on the phone. I don't know why, but it's just like, especially when you're talking to someone that you like. I don't know why, but some of the guys, like when I'm on the phone with them, it just makes me want to get up and get my stuff together. Like there's this one guy, I kind of really like him. When I'm on the phone with him, I find myself cleaning my kitchen and folding my laundry and doing all the things that I told myself I was gonna do, but it's just like, I don't know, it's like he's supporting me through it. It's really weird. I was telling my friend that I really like him, and the reason why I like him is because he makes me want to be a better woman. And that's saying a lot. That is saying a lot, because I have never had anyone make me want to be better. He does, but he will never know that. I'm not the type of person to express how I feel to people. It's just never really been my speed. All the girlies, they are coming out with period panties, different types of pads, all kinds of things. Look, get you some Hanes, like the kids type of underwear, you know, like the ones that the kids wear. It's not boxers, it's not boxer briefs, but they're like actually like underwear, like panties. Get you some of those and wear those on your period. I literally have like 3 pair and I wear them on my heaviest days. And of course I wear tampons and stuff, but they're just so comfy. That's it for my Sunday reset routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed unwinding with me and preparing for a productive and prosperous week. I really do think it's important to prioritize your priorities on the weekends and taking time for not only the things around your house, but making time for God as well. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!